Another day, another adopted client tayo. So today, I just got home from my client meeting in Pampanga. So this client messaged me last November, ito nasa taas, and she told me na wala na daw siyang advisor. So she wanted to transfer to me under my servicing, and then she also is requesting for a fund switching. So what I did, of course, I adopted her. Hindi talaga kami magkakilala. So I went to Pampanga to see her, and we did a policy revisit. Now, what really happens during a policy revisit? At tuwing kailan ba talaga to dapat ginagawa? The first thing we do during a policy revisit is to update your details. So, tama pa ba yung mobile number? Tama pa ba yung email? Tama pa ba yung address? O kailangan na nating i-update? That's the number 1. Number 2, we check on your beneficiaries. Titignan natin kung sila pa rin ba yung mga gusto mo na makareceive ng pera in case something happens to you. Because of course, nung kinuha mo yung policy, iba yung season ng buhay mo. Baka ngayon, iba na rin yung season ng buhay mo at ibang mga tao na rin yung gusto mong makareceive ng insurance claims mo. Through your advisor, pwede mong i-update ang beneficiaries mo. Pwede kang magdagdag, pwede kang magtanggal, at pwede mo ring palitan. Hindi naman porket sila yung inelect mong beneficiary nung una, dapat sila na all throughout. Pwede mo yang palitan. Number 3, tinitignan natin kung naka-align ba yung payment niya. Para din informed siya kung meron siyang mga na-miss out na payments. Number 3, yung pinaka-importante at ito yung pinaka-concern usually ng mga clients ng BUL, we do the fund review. Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Titignan natin kung nag-grow ba, hindi ba nag-grow yung fund, or naka-align pa ba tong fund na to sa risk appetite na meron ka ngayon? Because we understand na nung kinuha mo yung policy, iba yung risk appetite mo. Pero baka ngayon, iba na rin yung risk appetite mo. And from there, I will suggest kung ano-ano yung mga available funds ngayon na maganda yung performance. Then we talk about fund switching. Kung merong mga losses, paano natin mare-recover to? And finally, we aligned everything with their current life stage. Baka kasi nung kinuha mo yung policy, dalaga o binata ka pa. Ngayon, may asawa ka na. Or baka nung kinuha mo yung policy, isa pa lang yung anak mo. With this, I would need to give you an option to align your coverage with your current life stage. This is what a policy revisit is all about. To educate, to review, to clarify, to answer your questions, and to align. It's actually a check-in para hindi ka nangangapa sa sarili mong policy. If matagal mo nang hindi nare-revisit ang insurance mo, this is your sign para i-message ang advisor. Or if you no longer have an advisor, DM me, let's do a policy revisit.